In this experiment, I simulated a QPSK communication system in MATLAB and analyzed its performance using bit error rate. First, I defined parameters like carrier frequency, sampling rate, and SNR. Then, I generated random binary data, grouped the bits into pairs, and mapped them into QPSK symbols using gray coding. Next, I modulated these symbols using a carrier signal to form the transmitted signal. To stimulate a real communication channel, I added Gaussian noise based on the SNR. At the receiver, I performed demodulation by removing the carrier and recovered the original signal. Using simple design rules, I recorded the bits from the received signal. Finally, I compared the transmitted and received bits to calculate the bit error rate and plotted graphs to observe the signal behavior. This experiment shows how noise affects data transmission in a QPSK system. Thank you.